The discuss it stage is where we talk about all of the strategies, all of the tools, all of the tasks, where we actually go through the entire process. So we're going to have dialogue about that. We're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about student effort and how important it is in their success. So this is the stage where we do a lot of work around what is it? How do we do this? What are the tasks that are involved here? And we go much deeper than we did in stage 1. We began the work at the end of stage 1 in the task 5 and 6, and now we're going to carry it forward. Here's where we may have to repeat and do some differentiation because some students are still working on what are the parts of this model, how do I know where they are, not only that, how do I map them onto a graphic organizer. We're going to go just much deeper in the work here. Our goals as a teacher in stage 2 are to discuss the strategy mnemonic much more thoroughly, emphasize the importance of student effort for mastery, begin the use of graphic organizers, examine students' current performance. So we're going to be doing some self-evaluation, some graphing and scoring of their quick writes. We're going to discuss as a teacher the strategy and how we transfer it to other situations, whether it's classes or home or in other parts of our life. Our goals are to go deeper into this genre and make sure the students have a lot of practice, can really carry out the tasks they need to in order to write a good essay in this genre. So that's the big takeaway. That's our goal. The tasks in Discuss It Stage 2 are map models using graphic organizers, review and repair poor models. We want to build collaborative partnerships with the teacher and the student and student-to-student peers. We want to establish the benefits of strategy use. Again, from stage 1, we're going to build on that hyping the genre and remind them why it's important. We're going to begin graphing their own work so they can see their progress. We're going to also develop goals from our mapping to see where we need to go next. We're going to look at our self-talk statements. Are they working? Are they good enough? Do we need to revise? And the last thing we're going to do is explore when and where to use this strategy. So we're going to begin thinking about generalization. I think the biggest challenge in Discuss It is that you might go too fast and you might leave some students behind. It's important to differentiate, and it's difficult to differentiate, but keep the students going as much as possible on the level that they're at. And don't forget about peer collaboration. This is really important. They can learn a lot from their peers, and they like working with their peers. So if you set the stage correctly, that can be a very effective teaching technique in SRSD.